the miracle of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that Allah ta'ala shows. Sometimes we are amazed, by the things that we find extraordinary around us. But everything that is ordinary around us is also the miracle of Allah. The tree that is growing is a miracle of Allah. And the seven heavens above you is a miracle of Allah. You yourself and your existence is a miracle of Allah. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says that look and ponder that you are nothing. You are ma'doom. You are in existence. How did Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give you existence? Within this time frame, within this period of 30, 40, 60 years, 70 years of existence. Later on you become inexistent again. For many, many years you will be inexistent and centuries. And then Allah Ta'ala will revive you on the day of Qiyamah again. The kuffar of Makkah came to the Prophet ﷺ and said, how is it possible that you become smithereens, you become bones, you become inexistent? Then Allah Ta'ala will revive you again. How is it possible? So Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala replies to that and it says, who created you the first time? Were you existent 100 years ago? Who created you the first time? So why would it be difficult for Him to create you the second time? That is Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.